Hi guys, today I'll be building a muscle car. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that, but I'll find a random vehicle to do it on. Um, this Jeep could work. I'm not even sure if it's Jeep. Yeah, I don't know what vehicle that is. This would work. Um, maybe this SUV right here. Maybe. Or I could build a Tesla. I could do that. But I'm looking for a muscle car to build. SUVs could work. Yeah, I can't find any. I I'm building one that could work as a muscle car. The closest thing I can find to a muscle car is this thing right here. But maybe this one right here. Maybe that one could work. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the best candidate for the muscle car. Plus, it's not even that expensive. Color red, good. Engine power maxed out. I don't. I wanted to drift, so I'm not gonna upgrade the grip at all. And I'm putting a blower in it. E-brakes. Time to customize it. What kind of bumper should I put on it? Stock bumper is good. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with stock. Fenders. Stock. Nope, don't need that either. It's a muscle car. Yeah, put. I'm not gonna drive it in water or anything like that. Where is it going? Oh, at the front. I'm gonna choose those ones. Lights, white. I'm gonna put a repair pack in there. There's not much I can do. Tires. I need some kind of tire that has very low grip. Like street tires could work. Or should I stick with the stock tire? Yeah, I'm sticking with the stock tire. Wheels wise, I'm going to do these wheels. For color, maybe a blue, the opposite of red. Ooh, those are good. Chrome or what about metallic? Yeah, I like these more. Nope, no, nope, I like these more. Metallic. Okay, I'm going metallic. Nope, I'm sticking right to the... Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I'm sticking with the blue. With the beads. Bead locket? No bead lock. Paint job? Yeah, the paint job is okay. I'm not gonna mess around with that. Max this out. For width. I don't want to flip. So 0.07. I'm gonna stick with that. Dampening 2000. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what dampening does at all. Rear steer, should I put rear steer in it? I'm gonna make it 0.1. Upper stiffness all the way up, travel all the way down. Stop. Yeah. What's about oh, 1.8. 1.8. Upper mount. Max that out. Put that down. Put it up a little bit. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to keep it as it is. By perfect setup. Run dyno. 700 horsepower. 500 torque. Not too bad. Let's see how it flexes. Does not flex at all. That's amazing. Single player. Stunt park. I want to do some stunts with this. Maybe that one. Really? I want to drift. Come on. Just drift for me. Why won't it drift? Well, I can do a loop-de-loop. You're gonna let me? Oh, come on. Why is it not? Why is it so grippy? What did I do wrong? do that. Let's see if what this. Nope. Like all these other results not be. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. I don't know what I did wrong. It should drift. Because I've seen videos that... Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. I've seen other videos that they can drift. I'm gonna switch to street tires. Maybe that would help. I actually don't know what to do. If it still doesn't drift, I'm gonna go to rock part and go over there and drift. Nope! I don't wanna crash. Oh, there we go. That is drifting right there. This is proper drifting. It's fun. This is fun. Maybe it will drift better with blockers on. Don't even need e-brake to drift with the lockers on. Even better. Damn it. Up it. Oh, dang. I did not jump. So there's the muscle car that I built. Looks like an SUV. But if you like this video, please click the like button. And there you have it. Bye bye, guys.